Are you tired of feeling like your messages are lost in the internet abyss? Do you struggle to keep up with client communication? Then we've got exactly what you need, a Salesbot template for read receipts notifications. With Salesbot, you'll receive real-time notifications the moment your clients read your messages. Now in this video, we'll show you how to set up a Salesbot for read receipts notifications in Como using our ready-to-use template. So without further ado, let's begin. Read receipts notifications are the reverse of notifications you receive on your phone when someone messages you. Each time your client reads your message, a Salesbot will send you a notification ensuring you never miss an opportunity to engage with your clients. And the best part? Setting up your Salesbot for read receipts notifications is a breeze with Como's ready-to-use chatbot templates. Ready-to-use chatbot templates make it easy to get started, and with our code-free visual chatbot builder, it means you don't need any programming experience to set it up. Now let's say you're a beauty salon owner who uses WhatsApp to communicate with your clients. You've recently sent broadcast messages about a new service that you're offering, but you're not sure if your clients have actually read them yet. Now this can be pretty frustrating, especially if you need to fill in as many appointment slots as quickly as possible. But with Salesbot, you'll receive an instant notification as soon as your clients read your messages, allowing you to follow up with them and make sure they don't miss out on your amazing services. Before setting up your Salesbot for read receipts notifications, you have to integrate your WhatsApp business account to Como. Now, if you haven't done that yet, watch this tutorial on how to connect your WhatsApp business account to Como in a few easy steps. Now, once you're all set, head over to your Como account, click Communication Tools, then click Create a New Bot. Scroll to the bottom to select Get an Alert when your client reads your message template. Now here you can rename your template to remember that this is for your WhatsApp. We'll leave the rest as it is. Now by default, the internal message will be sent to the responsible user at that time. So let's just click Save and Continue. Now, since this is a template, we already have a preset condition, but we still have to specify which channel we want to use our chatbot for. Click on the When This Happens drop-down menu, and under the conversational triggers, you'll see a pre-selected trigger when an outgoing message is seen in any channel. So all you have to do is change the channel to WhatsApp only. Now, press Done, sit back, and let the notifications roll in. With read receipts notifications, you can improve your communication with clients and add a personal touch to show them that you're interested in their needs. So try it out today and see how it can transform your business. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.